located near Malvern, or 30 miles southeast of Omaha, moving southeast at 30. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monona County, northern Burt County, northeastern Cumming County, Thurston County, southeastern Wayne County until 7 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds of 65 miles per hour or higher. This storm was located near Emerson, or 25 miles southwest of Sioux City, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Winnebago, Bender, Walhill, Bancroft, Macy, Lyons, Decatur, Thurston, the Highway 9 and 51 junction at Rosalie. The warned area includes Highway 77 in Nebraska between mile markers 147 and 169. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest level of your home or business. Heavy rain can quickly flood roads, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cumming, Thurston, and Wayne. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fremont County, southeastern Mills County, western Montgomery County, northwestern Page County until 7 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large destructive hail up to tennis ball size and damaging winds of 65 miles per hour or higher. This storm was located near Emerson, or 34 miles southeast of Omaha, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Essex, Shenandoah, Imogene, Coburg, and Pierce Recreation Area. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, and Page. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northeastern Fremont,